the Gospel Living app, brought to you by the Scripture Ninja.
Hello, welcome back. I'm the Scripture Ninja, and we're looking at the Gospel Living app. Alright, so let's go ahead and do a couple more things in this app. Down here we have the Goals button and the Profile button. Let's look at the Goals button. Go ahead and click on it. So right now it says, what are we working on today? Need a goal? Let's do it. We can view all. Scroll down and see that we're all cut up because we don't have any goals created right now. To create a new goal, I press the plus button or press this button right here. And then it says the goal title is required. Add steps to complete your goal. Areas of growth, when it's kind of due, I guess, and then reminder, and then you can add photos and details. I'm going to go ahead and click cancel. There are spiritual goals, social goals, intellectual and physical goals that you can work on. I'm going to add these later in my free time. Let's go ahead and look at profile. The profile is where you get settings and preferences, and you can see information about yourself. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Thank you so much. I am the Scripture Ninja. Have a great day.